An Israeli-American hostage crossed into Israel on Monday, May 12th, after his release by Hamas as fighting paused in Gaza. The Israeli military said, but there was no deal on a wider truce or hostage release as monitors warned of famine in the devastated enclave. Convoy of vehicles crossed into Israel, carrying Eden Alexander, while Israelis took to the side road to welcome him. Grandparents and family of Eden, who was held in Hamas captivity for 584 days, cheered at the news of his handover to the Red Cross in Gaza upon his return to Israel. Crowds in Tel Aviv's Hostages Square cheered as they saw a picture of Israeli-American hostage, standing with an international committee of the Red Cross, ICRC official, and Hamas militants upon his release from captivity. Israel's military said it had received Alexander after the International Committee of the Red Cross said it had facilitated his safe transfer from 19 months of captivity to Israeli authorities. Israel's military also said it had been informed by the Red Cross that a hostage had been handed over without naming Eden Alexander, the last American held by militant group Hamas. Israel's Channel 12 said Alexander's condition was low, without citing a source. He was in Israeli military service when he was kidnapped from southern Israel in the cross-border raid by Hamas militants on October 7, 2023, and has been held in captivity since. Hamas said it had freed an Israeli-American hostage as fighting paused in Gaza on Monday, but there was no agreement on a wider truce or hostage release as a global hunger monitor warned of famine in the devastated enclave. Fighting stopped at midday in Gaza after Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Israel would pause its operations to allow safe passage for the hostage release.